Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel, like it and share it. The Lost Child, 9th class supplementary reader, chapter 1, The Lost Child. Question answers. Question number 1. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Answer. The child sees toys, flowering mustard field, dragonflies, butterflies, doves, a huge crowd of people entering the fair, sweets shops, garlands of gulma, rainbow color balloons, a snake charmer, and a roundabout swing. He lags behind because he is fascinated by the things that he sees on his way to the fair. His parents constantly call him so that he does not get lost in the crowd. He would stop at the shop with a wish to buy them and sometimes would be amazed at the beauty of nature. That is why he lags behind. Second question. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Answer. The things that he wants in the fair are balloons, toys, garlands of gulmar, sweets from the sweet shop, watching the snake, watching the snake dancing at the tune of snake charmer, having a ride in the roundabout swing. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Answer. When he saw the roundabout in a full swing, he made a bold request to his parents to have a ride on it, but there was no reply. When he turned to look at his parents, there was no one. That is when he realized that he had lost his way. His anxiety and insecurity have been described in a very hot, warming day. When he realizes that he has lost his way, a deep cry rises within his dry throat and with a sudden jerk of his body. From where he stood, his face is convulsed with fear and eyes full of heart and fierce tears. He runs in search of his parents in all directions, crying, Mother, Father. Next, fourth one. Why does the last child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Answer. The last child loses interest in the things that he had wanted earlier because the only thing that he wants at that moment is his parents. He is panic stricken and he just wants to be united with them again. Next, fifth question. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Answer. I think the child would have found his parents in the end. While he was lost, his parents would also have searched for him. When they would have realized that he is not with them. The gentleman who was trying to console the child would have also asked for the description of his parents and would have looked around for them. Finally, the child would have been united with his parents with anyone's collective effort. Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.